Citizen, we are a young team of highly skilled professionals. In-house, we have developed future-ready products such as bifacial modules, BIPV modules, Merlin panels, thin film modules, and twin peak modules. Now we can say that we are par with super giants in solar like Germany and China. Our mission is very simple: to deliver highly efficient, sustainable energy products and join hands with Government of India for a clean and green India.
Citizen Group has always believed in creating value for its stakeholders and customers. We have strong, competent R&D team working for creating best solar panels every day and give our customers value for their money. Our vision is to make Citizen Solar a household name and a preferred choice for industries for any kind of solar product.